Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're not going to learn new words and expressions, just a week review. Follow me to read out them loudly, one by one. Okay, let's start it. 旅游，旅游，旅游 travel. 风景，风景，风景 scenery, view. 拍照，拍照，拍照 take picture. 英语，英语，英语 English. 翻译，翻译，翻译 translate. 写字，写字，写字 write. 没有，没有，没有 none, no. 衣服，衣服，衣服 clothes. 老师，老师，老师 teacher. 商店，商店，商店 shop. 作业，作业，作业 work, task. 表演，表演，表演 performance. 上课，上课，上课 go to class. 音乐，音乐，音乐 music. 电影，电影，电影 movie, film. 回应，回应，回应 response. 排队，排队，排队 line up. 搜索，搜索，搜索 search, search. 视频，视频 video. 短信，短信，短信 short message, short message. 邮件，邮件，邮件 mail, mail, mail. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.